Homestead. To start off, I just want to thank you all for your prayer and concerns for the family after the passing of Kim's dad. And I'm going to show you what we have to catch up on. That thing is tall. Besides the way our week was interrupted, we've had several days of good rain. And we have got tomatoes everywhere to get. This is just, we haven't made it maybe 10 feet in, if that. What are these, Chinese noodle beans?
Yeah, I'm gonna let them dry.
Okay, she says she's gonna let those dry. More tomatoes, more tomatoes. The corn so far has been great. I have to get to it as well. Well, look in there. Squash bugs caused this damage here. We got a little melon over there.
Couple.
Oh yeah, I see that other one now. I'm gonna walk down the outside of the fence row where the view of all the tomatoes is better. Again, man, we got some huge ears of corn over there. We did it in raised beds, and the dirt that I brought from work, the soil I brought, it's just been really, really good. Trying to get these before all the rain causes them to crack open. Hey Zach, look at that. I am standing on the ground lower, but those things are way up there. Blackberries still coming on strong. And now I'm kind of back where I started. Like I say, we haven't hardly gotten that far in on the tomatoes. Still have quite a ways to go. So more tomatoes under the corn. Whole bunch of corn. More blackberries. And we have a lot of these small tomatoes down through here that we still gotta pick. Let's go check the rain gauge. Again, there's those huge sunflowers. We've got another one down here that Kim planted just for our neighbors that live right up here could see. And so she put this big monster up here for them. Oh, how I love an overcast sky. While I'm at it, I'm gonna walk out and show you a quick update on the buckwheat and how it turned out. Look at least one of the elderberries that I was blessed with. It's just one that I threw in the pond and it started growing where I cut one back. Look at the buckwheat. And the bees are loving it. Wow, that is just really, really nice. I just cannot believe that I cut that off at the ground and threw it in the pond, and this is what I got out of it. Absolutely great. It's probably time for us to cruise some country roads where we know some is and see how they're progressing as far as maturity, and that see if any of them are ready for harvest. I know they're turning purple. My steps going up to the barn have been put on hold for a little while. All the rain helped the pond out. All the rain helped everything out. Well, I'm gonna head back to the house. Try and put this together for you all to see. And again, cannot say thank you enough for prayers and thoughts for Kim and the family. She had a tough time, no doubt. There were just no signs that her dad was having a hard time at all. And most of his breathing problems came in the middle of the night. For those that don't know, he's been living with us for about 7 months and been the happiest we've seen him in a long, long time. And I don't remember if I mentioned in the one video that when Kim called me at work Monday morning, the pain that I heard, I really thought she had hurt herself in the garden. I don't ever want to hear that again. And her mom lives out here too. And we know that's always a possibility. I just cannot say enough about my wife. Her dedication to caring for them, exactly the same that when my mom was alive and she was living with us, it was no different. That's just who she is. just a very caring and caregiver, and a blessing in my life. So anyhow, I'm gonna enjoy this day as much as possible. And like I say, I love the overcast because I work in the sun every single day. So when it's like this, I love being out here. So if you can, be a blessing in somebody's life. And thanks for spending a little time with me at Runaway Homestead.